Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really want to give a really big huge shout out to Curlsqueen for sending me these beautiful clip-ins, a little bit about the hair right here, and just to let you know, this is going to be a real quick, straight to the point, simple 3-step easy video to follow along with if you want your hair to turn out like this, starting out like that. Okay. Woo! Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Step 1, prep the hair extensions. I have already worn these extensions, so now I'm just going to really give them a good hair mask, detangle, and sit them out to air dry. Step 2, prep my own hair. For this flip over method, I left a very small amount of hair out just in the front perimeter of my hairline. The rest is going to be braided back. These clip-ins come in 4 different width extensions. The first ones here are the 2 clip extensions. I have a total of 4 of those. 2 3-clip extensions, 2 4-clip extensions, and 2 5-clip extensions. Step 3, install and style. The first track that I'm going to install is the extension with 4 clips attached to it. And this because it's going to be a little lower, but not high enough for me to use the 5-clip extension. And it's not going to be too low either because you want these tracks to be really stacked on top of each other. And I'll explain that later. With the style being the flip over method, you also want the wefts to be as close as the perimeter as possible, just so once that hair flips over, there is no line of demarcation between your hair and the extension. Once you're getting closer to the top of the hair, you do want to make sure that you create that U shape with your clip-ins. And I saved my 4 2-clip extensions for the top of my hair to be able to stack them. The best practice is to stack these clips extremely close to each other because once your hair flips back, you don't want any gaps in between the hair because your hair will show and the wefts will show. Once I started taking out my little twist in the front, I realized that, hey, there's a big old track showing. So I took all these off and then I restacked them to ensure that they were really close and that last clip in was really right behind my hairline. Foam wrap lotion is my go-to product right now, and it probably will be forever just because it really defines the curls, and once you want it to dry, it's a very fast process and there's no residue. Hands down, this is my type of product. It's easy to manipulate with my hair and I know what to expect every time. I decided to comb my hair with the extension for even more blend, and I use my diffuser to speed this process up. I'm just finishing up with the diffuser here and I'm playing around with the hair, seeing how I feel about it, seeing where I need to put my hands at a little bit more unnecessarily. You know, as us, as women, we really love to touch the hair, play around with it. But the key is with curly hair, honestly, is to touch it as least as you can, because the more you touch it, the more it creates frizz and the curls just aren't as neat and defined. That is totally optional and that is subjective to who is wearing the hair, but this hair came out beautiful. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about it in the comments. Thank you again, Curlsqueen. The discount code should pop up soon, but if you just so happen to miss it, all of the details will be down in the description. So make sure you use that code when you are checking out to save that money. And I'll also pop some pictures on the screen to show some other hairstyles that I've done while I've had these clip-ins in. Mwah.